A retrospective is a collaborative meeting to reflect on how things are going, a look back at events that took place, work that was produced, or the way something was done. You agree on what to change, capture concrete ideas, record decisions, and commit to actions with owners and dates. Everyone jots ideas onto stickies privately. You group related items, keep to a time schedule, do a quick vote to set priorities, and leave with specific actions. Think of it as a structured way to pause, take stock, and figure out how to improve. Kind of like a team debrief after a big game or project. To get the ball rolling, it's probably easiest with a simple retrospective example. The granddaddy of the retrospective is the start, stop, and continue. Very simply, it helps teams discover things they should start doing, things they should stop doing, and things they should continue doing. You get people together in a room or a virtual meeting space. Give them 5 to 10 minutes to think about things they should start, stop, and continue doing. They write each thought down on an individual sticky note and put it in the right category on the board. By the way, when we're doing this remotely, we like Miro, but you might prefer other tools that support virtual sticky notes. As people are adding their notes, a facilitator clusters similar ideas together so that themes start to become obvious. When the time is up, give everyone a couple of minutes to look at the board. The facilitator reads each thought one at a time and encourages the author to add any clarification, then invites discussion on each theme. You'll find that some stickies are moved to other themes and lots are combined into one idea. When everything is clustered together, give everyone 5 dots for each category and let everyone mark the themes that are the most important to focus on. Sometimes if you have a leader in the group, they might get 1 veto to move a theme up in importance. Now you have a ranked set of things to stop, start, and continue doing with action items and decisions to get where you want to go. If there are decisions, note these in the meeting minutes and also be sure that each action has someone accountable with specific time frames. Total time about 60 to 90 minutes, short, structured. And you leave with decisions and a clear action plan. So hopefully we're on the same playing field regarding what retrospectives are. After this series, you'll know exactly what a retrospective is. And even if you've never been involved in one, you'll have a step-by-step process so you can run one yourself. Our next video covers why retros are such a powerful project tool.